Hey y'all, today we're making homemade French vanilla instant coffee mix. Let's get started. This is what we'll be using today in this recipe for French vanilla instant coffee mix. We'll use some instant coffee. We went with Maxwell House, some French vanilla pudding mix. You can use sugar-free or non-sugar-free, some sugar of your choice, and some powdered milk. It's that simple. Let's get started. We're going to be using this mason jar to put our coffee mix in. And we're going to start off by adding our powdered milk first. And I'm going to add 1 1/4 cup of powdered milk. Okay, that's right at 1 1/4 cup. I may have got just a little bit extra in there, but it's not going to hurt anything. That'll just make it more creamier. Okay, and now to that, we're going to add a 1/2 cup of our instant coffee. And this right here will just be great to have as it starts to get cool weather. If you don't want to make a whole pot of coffee when you get home from work, you can just make you 1 cup using this French vanilla instant coffee mix. So that's a 1/2 cup of the instant coffee. And if you don't want it quite as strong, you could add a little less. But I'm going to go with a 1/2 cup. And now for the sugar, I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar to this mixture also. If you don't want it quite as sweet, you could go less. Or if you want it more, just add you a little bit more. But we're going to go with a 1/2 cup. And if you wanted to use a different kind of sugar, you could also even make brown sugar by adding some molasses to this, and that would even give this French vanilla a good taste. But today we're just using plain white sugar. Any kind of alternative sugar you could use that you like. And now we're going to be adding 3 tablespoons of this French vanilla pudding mix. Okay, we're going to measure us out 3 tablespoons of this French vanilla pudding mix. Now you can buy that instant powder coffee mix at the store, but it's very expensive for one of those little containers that's already flavored like French vanilla or chocolate mocha. You can buy that, but it costs a lot more than trying to make it with what you've already got yourself. Okay, right there you have your homemade French vanilla instant coffee mix. That's what it looks like. You can see each of the layers, and boy, does it smell good. We're going to put the lid on it, and now we're just going to give this a mix. And if you had the powder vanilla flavoring, if you had it in a dry powder, you could even add a little bit of that to give it an extra vanilla taste. But look right there. That's homemade French vanilla instant coffee. Now let's make us a cup and let you see how our mixture turns out. Okay, we've heated up some water in the microwave, and now we're going to make a cup of this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of my mixture we just made in my hot water. And you could go with 3 if you wanted it just a little bit stronger. It just depends on how you like it. Now this right here would make a great little Christmas gift. You could do a $1 coffee cup and maybe some peppermint sticks in a little container of this French vanilla instant coffee mix. Oh, it smells so good. So when you get home from work, or even if you're just not wanting to make a whole pot of coffee, you can use this French vanilla instant coffee mix and make 1 cup at a time. Okay, y'all, if y'all like French vanilla coffee, you're gonna love this.
I hope y'all give this a try.
I just tasted it and it is delicious. It's quick and easy, and you don't have to make a whole pot. You can make 1 cup at a time. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like and share. Thanks for watching.
Here's the recipe. I hope y'all give it a try.